Are going to repair this door here. Most of the wood is in good shape and we're not worried about replacing it because that's too much money. So we're just going to repair this with some Bondo. And so we've got a blob of Bondo going here right now, and I'm going to take it and splooge, smear, whatever you want to call it, into this void. I'm trying to get everything here. Then we have a another piece that we're going to use here too. There's that shower curtain on the floor there.
I think there's something downstairs too.
Make it fast.
That's what you always tell me.
Well, yeah, but that's when we have time. This is Bondo. You're on its time, not your time. Okay, so we are waiting for the unknown mechanic to get what we need. We need some plastic to lay over this so that we can put the angle on, and that way we can peel the plastic off of the Bondo.
Separate the plywood.
Yeah. You know, there's a bag over there that would work.
Something.
Okay.
Why do you think I went downstairs? You ready?
Yeah, just lay it on there.
Okay, drill.
Okay. There's our plastic. And I'm going to go ahead and put this here. Okay. And pull that on in.
Is that enough?
Yeah. Let me...
Grab the screws. Drill's right there.
Okay. And we got that as...
That's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Sorry. Okay, stop. Yeah. Don't drive them home. Oh, you can't go through. Okay, now we can go like this.
Okay. I'm hoping that that worked. So there you go. We have our mold is in place. The Bondo will harden in about 5 more minutes.
We'll have to put a little bit more on.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, we need more right now.
Well, we'll just shortchange me on Bondo. Gee.
Well, the thing is about this, it will.
Now, we did screw in all the way on the bottom.
I don't know. You have to take it down.
Yeah, we're flat. I mean, it could probably use one more screw in there on the bottom end.
Right there?
Yeah, if you've got one, you do it.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I did. That might even have pushed it up. No, it didn't.
No. But, yeah. Excellent. Okay, so we just, all we gotta do is pull this flat and tight.
No.
We do.
No. Well, you're unrounding this corner.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
I'm trying to.
See what I mean?
Yeah, well, we can do that if we have to
put
do
more
some more
we
Bondo.
might have to put more on.
Yeah.
But when that hardens, the plastic should separate.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So there we go. Now, what do we got, about 5 more minutes? 10 minutes?
Yeah, that's what Rip Van Winkle said when he woke up.
Rip Van Winkle?
Yeah, 5 more minutes?
Yeah, 5 more minutes. Just, yeah. Rip hit the snooze button. Okay, so that's our door repair. Watch out for your glasses there, mister. How's this side?
This side's good.
This side's good.
Yeah, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to scrape all that foam off and put
the
deck coat on the end grains.
Yeah.
So it can't suck more water in.
Yeah, that'd be good. So then out here we have our flashing on the bottom. So this is a continuous flashing, and what we have done is we've got some, it's an aluminum flashing, so it's not going to rust out on us. And if you look up under there, you can see that the flashing is, let's see if I can, yeah, so anyway, it's the 2x4 flashing, angle flashing, and so we snipped the edges of, let me go back to that there. Okay, so we took the tin snips and cut this, and we folded the metal down over the threshold underneath there on both sides, so that now we have no water entry points. Then what we did here is we've got the flashing that we screwed down, and to make sure that our screws would go in all the way, we took this countersink bit, or oh god, the name of it's countersink bit, and we hit it with the hammer, hit it once, turned it 45 degrees, and hit it again, and that creates a cone hole with a piercing through the aluminum. And then we added all the screws in here. We needed to double up the screws here because the flap in here is creating an upward force. So the next step is going to be when this caulk dries in, then we get the Gecko-Deck tape, and we embed the tape in Gecko-Deck over the flashing, and there'll be several coats of that, but that will give a sealed permanent finish over the flashing, and it will actually have the Gecko tape coming up the side of the flashing, so that there's no way for it to come under the flashing. Anyway, so this worked out pretty good. This is the new underneath support for the door's aluminum threshold, and so the door just comes over this and drops down onto it. So yeah, the flashing here has quad caulk all under it, so that's completely sealed, and the screws are all 1¼ inch stainless steel, so those will never go bad. And as they screwed in, they had some of the quad came up through the hole, and so they embedded into quad caulk. Okay? So then, after we get this set up, then we we'll put the edge flashing on all around, and do the same thing with the quad or the Gecko-Deck tape to seal up the flashing, and then we will put our corner posts down. So we are moving along. Okay. Yeah. I bet that is starting to feel firm now.
No, it's not.
No?
No. I pulled the caulking, pulled this away.
Yeah.
To just
pull what away?
Well, I pulled the plastic away just so.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna. Oh, it's starting to harden. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're getting good. You know, to tell you the truth, I think it's lunchtime.
Oh.
Why don't we go to the dump?
Yeah.
And then.
Well, Ivers is a little expensive.
Ivers is a little too much.
Yeah,
yeah.
but that was a good treat yesterday. What was it, $35?
Yep, sure was.
But good Cajun fish.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So there you go. We have sculpted a new
corner
for the...
To tell you the truth, Jeff, I think what I want to do here is take that threshold off and sand this down and at least get some Gecko deck up to there, maybe a foot up. But this one here, I think we want to pick up a C-clamp and glue this back. This it looks like a screw came through. I'd pull that screw out and glue it back.
Well, I know I've got clamps at the shop.
Oh, do you? Let's go by the... Okay, let's get some clamps at the shop then.
Okay. Then we just leave that thing harden up.
Let's just let it harden. I think this door jam will survive if I glue it back and put Gecko deck on it. Do you think?
Sure. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Then maybe get another tube of the quad.
Maybe a couple.
Yeah. That's good stuff. I liked how that...
It's a bit on the thick side.
Yeah, but it flowed nicely. That's what we're using to seal the flashing with, Quad Max. Very, very good. Okay. It's probably a good spot for that. Right there. 1:30 already? Okay, well, it's 1:30, so we're going to go eat.
We should probably get... Do you have any shims in your shop?
I doubt it. Let's pull off the rest of the foam.
Okay, this nail right here, I got to get out because we're going to use the same holes over again to make sure we get the door jamb back to the same place. So, you grab the
handy dandy Jim
nail
Dandy
pullers.
They were right there. There.
But Mitch cut these with the Sawzall.
The what? Oh, the nails. Yeah. Yeah, that is one of his favorite. That's one of Sparky's favorite tools.
Yeah, I can't grab it with this.
And you've got, yeah, well, there's enough flash in there, so we gotta cut these.
Yeah.
And then we can interlock the flashing, or just overlap the flashing. So there's the old overlap there. Okay.